What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchet REACT, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with another American reaction. So excited about this video. If you're new to us
and we new to you,
make sure you scroll down,
hit that subscribe button,
and turn on the post notification bell.
Because we're on the road to 200K.
And we cannot get there without you guys, alright? Join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Let's get it.
We have here a traditional Austrian feast. A lot of this food I don't really know how to pronounce properly, so I'm hoping you're going to help us, Arnold. We've had a private chef prepare all of this. Starting, of course, with the famous Wiener Schnitzel.
What worries me is just that why you had to get a...
First of all, look at our guy, man. Look at that guy. He's still vibrant, right? Age has not caught up to him yet. He's doing his big one.
But I see the age, and that's making me sad because when I see the people that we have grown up with watching get old, I feel old.
It be like that. Take away the grades, he still look like himself. Yeah. His younger stuff. No, he was killing it in the film. We've been watching him since knee high, y'all. Yeah. So it's good to see him on here with the crew today, about to kill it with the Australian dishes. Austrian dishes. Let's get it.
This is our first time
private chef. Another public chef. This is exactly what we had actually 21 times on the set of Fuba.
21 times? 21 times we finished it. Oh, wow.
So you see, when I say Fuba, that means I'm promoting the show. This is what we call bridging over from one subject to the other.
Is it an Austrian thing to have the little...
The lemon?
I like the little
because
cover on the lemon.
You squeeze the lemon on it.
Oh.
You have to choose the lemon juice on top of it.
You don't have to go in your eye.
Okay, we're going to do that. You know about the lemon squeeze, because she literally put lemon on anything that's fried, especially when it comes to fish. I ain't going to say anything. I'm going to put it down like that.
Listen, I love fish.
Lemon and fish for her go together well. We also got our girl on here. Can you name a movie that she played on?
Is that her that starred in that Netflix movie? It's a series actually about the nurse. It's like the nurse who take over the whole center.
Is it a drama movie? Is it a drama movie?
Yeah, it's a drama movie. But I do know that she's in the Matrix.
100%.
Yeah, she's a vet.
Vet in the game. They got some vets with them today.
Is it an Austrian thing to have the little...
The lemon?
I like the little
because
cover on the
you
lemon.
squeeze the lemon on it.
Oh.
You have to choose the lemon juice on top of it.
You don't want to go in your eye.
But I love this little,
Well, you can.
little thing.
But it just makes it look teary-eyed.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm presuming you like Wiener Schnitzel because I heard your dog is called Schnitzel, is that right?
One of my dogs is called Schnitzel.
Okay, that's good.
And you're absolutely correct. How did you figure that out?
Oh, we did a research.
I mean, I play a spy.
Yeah, okay.
In Cuba. But you guys are like real spies.
Oh, yeah.
It's like unbelievable.
I would know. Yeah.
How do we throw that one in now? Take a spoon, and then you put some of this cranberry sauce.
Oh, it is cranberry?
Yeah.
I think it's lingonberry.
Whatever berry. Let's not argue with that, because we had enough fats and fuba.
Is it fish?
Let's be honest.
Okay, so with the lemon, I've never used lemon on like chicken, but this looks like chicken. Especially to pair it with cranberry.
That's what I mentioned, that you wouldn't put lemon on just any fried fish. I mean, any fried dish. But fish is one that you put it on. This look like it could be a fish, or is it like a breast meat? Or is it like a back of a cow or something? What we eating here?
I don't know. It looked like it would be chicken.
I think it's more chicken.
It don't look like it would be beef. Y'all let us know, because I don't know.
Okay.
I think he's excited to be there.
Yeah, I feel you.
And this is something that you have quite commonly in Austria, is that right?
Yeah, it's a dish that most people enjoy, except if you're vegan. You know, and I'm vegan, but when it comes to Wiener Schnitzel, I would never say no. Because that would be a crime.
Like some of the crimes committed in food.
Hey, neither. You're very good.
Yeah.
I like that.
You play Greta, an East German spy, who has an accent.
What is the location of the two power plants?
Did it throw you off playing opposite Arnold, who obviously you have an iconic Bavarian accent?
He has an accent?
Oh, so you just blanked it out then?
I don't hear
Don't even hear
it.
it.
I found that my jaw hurt so badly.
Oh, wow.
Oh, really?
Because you're using your mouth in such a different way. Like, I thought I might need to go to the dentist. Like, I wasn't sure if I was grinding my teeth, and then I realized it was actually just talking so differently that I was in actual pain in my jaw. It's interesting.
Oh my gosh, you don't even think about
Yeah,
it.
I never ever thought about it.
I remember when I came over here, to learn English, I had to kind of like get this guy, and he was an expert. I mean, he could do, every accent, and I hired him to go and get rid of my accent.
Okay.
And he was an expert in that too, because he said right away, he says, Arnold, you can't keep saying 3,003.
I don't know how y'all gonna get him to change his tempo, because he got his own talk. His voice is his voice.
Yeah, I love that they're doing the behind the scenes bit of this video.
Facts.
But we are in Louisiana. It's hurricane season. We're not currently having a hurricane, but it's storming. That's what it is. It's not an upstairs neighbor or anything.
Oh no, that's that rumbling up there. It's non-stop, very consistent,
133 and 1/3. It's not an S, it's a TH.
Okay.
So we were practicing that, and then for weeks and weeks, I would work on that. He was very, very helpful, but he never really got rid of the accent. That was too
Thank
stubborn.
God.
Yeah, I mean, it's iconic.
I'll be back.
I've heard this is your favorite.
Kartoffelsalat.
Kartoffelsalat.
Salad.
Salad.
Kartoffel means potato.
Potato, okay.
No, potato salad. Oh my God, that's so good.
Kartoffel.
Kartoffel.
Kartoffel. You're good, perfect. Salad.
Salad.
Good, perfect.
Well, you don't have to do the accent.
Kartoffel. I want to do it authentically.
Leave him alone. Don't always bully him. I mean, it's like I've seen this throughout the show now. The way you attack him all the time.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, that's really yummy.
And what's this, Arnold?
Spätzle.
Spätzle.
As far as I can tell, it looks like an Austrian mac and cheese.
What is it?
It's Spätzle.
What do they make it with?
I don't know if you heard, Carrie. I think it's called Spätzle.
Oh my God, it smells so good. Do you make this at home, this dish?
Do you eat this often?
I just came back from Vienna. And we ate Wiener Schnitzel.
Oh, yeah.
We sometimes add a bit Spätzle, sometimes with
I like the
potato
onion on the top.
with Kartoffelsalat.
That's really good.
Really good.
I hope they have Apfelstrudel. And we ate Wiener Schnitzel.
Oh, yeah.
We sometimes add a bit Spätzle, sometimes with
I
potato
like the
salad.
onion on the top.
With Kartoffelsalat.
That's really good.
Really good.
I hope they have Apfelstrudel. If you don't have Apfelstrudel, hell will break loose.
Of course we have apple strudel for you, Arnold.
Okay, apple strudel.
Yeah.
One of those.
Okay, so if we have covered Austrian food before, it probably was a long time ago, so let us know if we have. But I don't think we've covered anything in Austria. First look at this meal, I'll eat all of this. Y'all know I'm picky, but I'll eat this.
Yeah.
Probably not everything together. I don't like my food touching like that. But
Yeah, even I think cranberry sauce. We did that around Thanksgiving time, and we pushed that off the plate.
Yeah, I don't like that too much.
But that's another conversation. So I'm curious to see how this blends with this, But obviously,
But again, I really struggle to pronounce that.
So there's a P and then an F, right? Apfel.
Yeah, Apfel.
Apfel.
Oh, you pronounce it.
Yeah, Apfel means Apfel.
Apfelstrudel.
Apfelstrudel.
I'm full.
I know. This is a full feast.
I remember then when you have those food scenes.
Oh my gosh,
So
I
you
get so
remember we had
sick.
that?
Oh, yeah.
That's something I've
Second
wondered.
season.
Yeah.
When I always had to eat this popcorn,
Okay,
and I kept
popcorn.
eating it,
Yeah.
eating it, and I was so full, and we did another day.
gotta keep going.
You never want to eat that food
Oh,
again.
man,
You just kind of
yeah.
do this, right? You do this. You see.
Yeah, okay.
And then, I mean,
Oh, the
I
tricks of
mean-
the trade.
Oh, wow.
wow, it's really good. That whipped cream too.
Got it.
It's
Fantastic.
good. This is a treat.
We want to give you guys a little bit of a break from your busy day of press junkets.
Thank you.
A little, some good
Nourishment.
food. So you're not just sitting on
Comfort
crisps all
food.
day. Yeah.
Austrian food. I mean, this food is so comfort oriented.
It's very comforting.
You know, I think that in Austria, when we think about comfort, we go right away for the schnapps.
Oh my God, what is he bringing now?
This is not schnapps.
This is not schnapps?
We have a
This is
fruity
schnapps.
You brought it.
Okay.
Get rid of that.
What's this?
Commercial
What do we
stuff.
got?
Headache schnapps.
Headache schnapps. Okay.
I don't
Yeah,
I don't do
You
headaches.
don't want that.
I'm good headache.
That's good. Thank you.
What does it smell like?
Yeah, a bit of a headache.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Roast.
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 To season 2.
Roast.
let's see who can handle it.
That's good. Well, that is yummy.
Wow, it's yummy. You guys just finished
Hopefully it's
it.
good for my throat.
Oh, yeah.
Very good. Very good.
Always that one in the
Now,
box.
Carrie-Anne, Josh isn't going to want me to tell you this.
Oh no.
You're sitting next to one of the biggest fans of The Matrix.
Oh, really?
Of all time.
That's true.
Sweet.
He, in fact, has confessed to me that he had 3 copies.
Okay, yeah, well.
Because he watched it so many times, the disc degraded.
Yeah, one wore the DVDs
I have a few
out.
records
One wore
like
DVDs
that.
out. Oh, really? Yeah.
Both of you are the stars of iconic movies. What does that feel like to be so
Amazing.
beloved?
I
Amazing.
don't think that I think much about it. It's only like when someone like you or someone brings it up and says, "Oh, I watched Terminator. Oh man, this was done in 1984. It was like unbelievable." And then it says, "Oh my God, how many days? It's like 4 decades ago." You have to go there.
Yeah.
I always admired Clint Eastwood because Clint Eastwood I saw already in the 60s, and now he's 95.
Wow.
He's 95,
Are
and
you
he
kidding me?
just directed the movie that is coming out. I mean, it's really extraordinary to
amazing.
think about that.
I watched a lot of his movies when I was preparing for Trinity because of his stillness that he had.
Right, yeah.
He just had very few lines, but he, in some of the movies that I was watching, but he had just such an incredible strength and stillness.
Aura.
about him. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
A
he really
real
did.
aura. And yeah, both of you guys
Yeah.
as well.
Now, Arnold, we did actually interview you 6 years ago.
What's wrong with that?
South Korea.
I challenged you to a staring contest.
He blinked. He blinked twice. You stare.
I lasted 2 seconds.
Were you intimidated by the stare?
I'll be honest, yeah, I was intimidated. I wonder, Arnold, whether you'd be willing to give me a rematch.
Sure.
Yeah? I came prepared because, I've done my research and watched something line again about intimidating your opponents.
Okay.
So I thought,
Oh, the outfit.
Oh, Diego.
Here we go.
This is your tactic.
okay, this is my tactic.
This is rogue. Oh gosh.
I like those socks.
What do you think?
Yeah, really
That's a good
nice.
sock.
So should we do it?
Why is your leg on the chair? Put the leg down.
Leave him alone.
I'm sorry.
Please don't keep pulling him.
I'm so
Okay, you
sorry.
ready?
You know, he has to grow up on his own.
I need to let him get
You
free.
can only let him do it himself, because otherwise he will always be floating around and he will be unstable and
And
already.
the crazy part about it is that's the relationship for real. Like he would literally crack jokes the whole time. That's how they do it. That's how they get down.
You ready?
Did it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, you're doing that the next time. Stop face.
Like he wasn't
What did I tell you? Leave him alone.
Oh my
You see,
gosh.
because in this case, and a lot of mothers do that. The mother and the dad protect
Two
him.
mother henny,
But then what
yeah.
happens if they're not there?
That's true.
So right now,
That's a
you
bar.
were not there.
Okay.
You were here, but
Okay.
you couldn't help him.
Right.
So
I
I'm saying
should stop mothering.
you could not go and hold his eyes open or something like that. So that's what I'm saying.
You pushed me out the nest.
I need to let you.
So now he kind of crumpled a little bit.
Yeah.
This is what we're talking about. And you have to rely on yourself and on your team.
Yeah.
Like in football.
Very good.
I was relying on her and
Yeah.
saved the day. She was relying on me. So this is it. But don't worry about it. We will get together many more times.
Okay.
We will have
You'll
many
have
more
a
staring competitions and all that stuff. It was so good. Yeah. But I love your leather hose.
Oh yeah? How does it look? Do you think I rock it?
You look fantastic.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, that was very stable.
Yeah?
Very good. Very good. Great to do the show with you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for feeding us. I didn't realize I was so hungry.
You guys go check him out. So again, I think the main question we had was that fish or was it chicken? But he said he's vegan, so
She said except for today.
so
So it had to be like chicken.
chicken most
I
likely.
don't think it was beef.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but it looked good.
It did.
So if you would like for us to look at more Austrian food or their country or their culture, let us know. Drop in all of the action requests in our reaction request link. Alright? We hope you guys enjoyed this video with us. Be sure to subscribe. We'll see you soon.
Peace.